So if you have a wild game feeder like this and it won't go off, like whenever you hit the test button and it just turns itself off and won't spin, what you do is you pull this battery out right here, and then there's 4 screws right here that hold this control unit in. And back behind, you take this control unit out, and back behind that control unit there's a DC motor, like those ones you play with when you're a kid. And you don't have to take the motor completely out. It's got some holes in the side of it, and you take some WD-40 with a spray nozzle and squirt straight down in that DC motor, and let it sit for a second, then put your control unit back on. And then I also sprayed some WD-40 up here around this spreader thing. And then I had to make sure that the feeder was full, or at least halfway full, so it would get feed down to that funnel and keep pressure on it. And that's what fixed it for me. And then it should be good to go. Hope that helps.